Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dress to Impress. Alright, first of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose 4 hairs. This one from the petal update, and then you're going to make it back and remove all the flowers and then color it like this. And then you're going to put on this hair, remove the bangs, and you're going to make it this color. And then put on this updo hair, choose no bangs and make it the same color. And then this hair, you can make it default and then apply the same color. And then put on this shell crown, and you're going to do this adjustment, position, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then for the color, just color it with this pink color, and then put on this item, make it this pink color. Okay, and then the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room, and I'm going to go to this menu and put on this mermaid tail, and I'm going to remove the wings. And for the color, we're going to make it this pink color. This is for the color code, guys. Make all pink. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this top from the pirate set, and I'm going to choose only necklace. And for the color, I'm going to make it this pink color for the first selection. For the necklace gem, I'm going to make it this blue color. And also for the necklace seashell. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the coats item and put on this Ella skirt, and I'm going to color it with the same pink color for all the selection. And then I'm going to make it glitter. Change the texture to glitter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update and choose this top, and then I'm going to make it pink, the same pink color. Alright, and put on this item as well. For the first selection, make it this color, the same color as your skin tone color. And for the second selection, make it pink. And go to the petal update, and I'm going to put on this item, and then I'm going to make it pink. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room, guys. You can go to the VIP room, and then you can choose this top. Alright, and for this top, I'm going to make it pink for all the selection. Make it pink, and again, we're going to make it glitter. Alright, done. And the last one, I'm going to grab the clouds from the Valentine's update. I'm going to go to the coats item, and I'm going to put on this clouds. And then I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then we're going to make it pink for the next selection. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it blue. Okay, and for the flower, make it this pink color. And for the leaves, I'm going to make it green. Okay, and finally, you will have this Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia look in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!